For anyone who has one of these Everlands, and if you're having issues with these Dometic controls, if your gauge is reading incorrectly and it's just showing, for example, this water tank is empty at the moment, but if it's showing 100%, or if you go, normally the lights are all fine, that works perfectly. Just people seem to have problems with these start batteries. Notice the start battery voltage is at 4.1, but the vehicle battery is actually at 13.2 volts at the moment. What you need to do is you need to reset the system, and the easiest way to reset the system is to find your main house battery isolator switch, which on this one is located down here. So all you want to do is you want to turn this off, leave it off for about 30 seconds, and then turn it back on. That basically does a full reset of the system, and it will allow the system to recalibrate. So as you can see now, everything's zero, showing the correct battery level, and it's also showing the correct start battery level. Generally, when you're using the camper van more often, you really won't need to use it. It's when you park it up and leave it parked up for a little while, that's when sometimes you just have to do that reset. So that's just a quick video. If anyone else is having problems with these Dometic controllers, they're fitted to a lot of European campers. Very nice controllers, but it's just people are not familiar with how to use them properly. And I've also got another video on these controllers, the Truma Combi boilers, in case you need to reset this if you get the fault codes. And I'll do a video later on as well showing you how to set the system. I hope this video was of some help to you. If it was, please like and subscribe.